Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make Dal Makhani in instant pot. We are using black beans and tur dal to make Dal Makhani. For making Dal Makhani, we have 1 cup of soaked black beans and half a cup of soaked tur dal. You can also make Dal Makhani with red kidney beans, with urad dal or moong dal. Dal Makhani should have 1 lentil and 1 beans. Today we are going to use tur dal to get a smooth texture. Here we have chopped red onions, half cup. You can also use yellow onions. Half a cup of tomato puree, half teaspoon of chopped garlic, half teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of cream and 1 tablespoon of butter. These two are the main ingredient for the Dal Makhani to get the smooth texture. Here are the dry ingredients for Dal Makhani: 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder, each half a teaspoon. Garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's set the instant pot to saute mode. Once the pot is hot, let's add butter and oil 1 teaspoon. Once the butter is melted, we'll start add ingredients: bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, fennel seeds, cumin seeds. Let's fry this for 30 seconds. Then we add onion. Now we add onions, let's sprinkle some little salt to cook the onion little faster. Let's fry this for 1 minute. Onion is sauteed for a minute. Now we add garlic, chopped ginger and tomato puree. Mix well with the onions and garlic and ginger. Now we add the dry ingredients: turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and garam masala. Mix well, let's get all the aroma out. Masala powders are fried well. Before adding dal, let's add 1 cup of water. Let's cook this for a minute, then we add dal. Now let's add dal and beans. Mix it with masala. We are going to add salt. We added 1 teaspoon of salt. We can taste this at the end and then we can add salt if required. Now we add 2 more cups of water. For 1 cup of beans, and half a cup of dal. We are adding 3 cups of water. We are going to pressure cook this for 15 minutes. You can follow the same recipe in regular pressure cooker. Lock and put the seal on. Let's cancel the saute mode. Pressure cook for 15 minutes. Dal makhani is cooked. We waited for a few minutes. Pressure is gone. Let's open. Dal is cooked well. Dal and black beans is cooked well. We are going to add chopped cilantro and cream. 1 tablespoon of cream. Let it cook for 2 more minutes in saute mode. Get a thick gravy. Dal makhani cooked in instant pot. It goes well with basmati rice, jeera rice and chapati. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and found it useful, please subscribe to get instant notifications.